Good morning, children. Today, let us start the new chapter Exponents and Powers. Very large numbers are difficult to read, understand, and compare. To make these numbers easy to read, understand, and compare, we use exponents. In this chapter, we shall learn about exponents and their laws and also learn how to use them. Do you know what the mass of Earth is? Can you read this number? You know what is the mass of Uranus? Which has greater mass, Earth or Uranus? These very large numbers are difficult to read, understand, and compare. To make these numbers easy to read, understand, and compare, we use exponents. 10,000 can be expressed as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. And this can be written like this. Here, 10 is called the base and 4 the exponent. This number is read as 10 raised to the power of 4 or simply as 4th power of 10. 10 raised to 4 is called the exponential form of 10,000. What do you mean by an exponent? Number of times the base term is multiplied by itself. Here in this example, 3 raised to 4, 4 is called the exponent and 3 is the base of this number. 3 raised to 4 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 4 times the base term is multiplied by itself. Some powers have special names. For example, 10 raised to the power 2, also read it as 10 squared, and 10 raised to the power 3, also read it as 10 cube, like that. Can you tell what 5 cube means? That is equal 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. So we can say 125 is the third power of 5. What is the exponent and base of 5 cube? You know that 5 is the base and 3 is its exponent. Similarly, 2 raised to 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is, the base 2 is multiplied 5 times and that is equal to 32, which is the fifth power of 2. In 2 raised to 5, 2 is the base and 5 is the exponent. In the same way, 243 can be expressed it as 3 raised to 5. 64 can be expressed it as 2 raised to 6. Similarly, 625 can be expressed it as 5 raised to 4. For any number a into a is equal to a square. Similarly, a into a is equal to a cube. A into b can be expressed as a cube b square. Let us do some example. Example 1. Express 256 as a power 2. We have 256 is equal to 2 into 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 2. That is, the prime factorization of 256 is equal to 2 raised to 8. Therefore, the exponential form of 256 is equal to 2 raised to 8. Example 2. Which one is greater, 2 raised to 3 or 3 raised to 2? We know that 2 raised to 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8, and 3 square is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. You know that 9 is greater than 8. So 3 square is greater than 2 cube. Example 3. Which one is greater, 8 square or 2 raised to 8? 8 square is equal to 8 into 8, that's equal to 64. But 2 raised to 8 is equal to 256. Obviously, 256 is greater than 64. Therefore, 2 raised to 8 is greater than 8 square. Let us try these questions. Example 5. Express the following number as a product of powers of prime factors. First question is 72. 72 can be expressed it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore, 72 can be expressed as its product of powers is equal to 2 cube into 3 square. Second question, 432. Similarly, 432 can be expressed it as 2 raised to 4 into 3 cube. Third question, 1000. The prime factorization of 1000 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Therefore, it can be expressed as 2 cube into 5 cube. The fourth question is 16,000. The prime factorization of 16,000 is equal to 2 raised to 7 into 5 cube. Example 6. Work out 1 raised to the power 5, negative 1 raised to the power 3, negative 1 raised to the power 4, negative 10 raised to the power 3, and negative 5 raised to the power 4. First question, 1 raised to 5. You know that if you multiply 1 5 times, you will be getting the same number 1 itself. Therefore, 1 raised to 5 is equal to 1 itself. Second question, negative 1 raised to the power 3. That is negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1. You know that negative 1 into negative 1 is positive 1. Positive 1 into negative 1 is equal to negative 1. That is, even number of times if you multiply negative number, you will be getting a positive number. Therefore, here, first of all, we are multiplying 2 times. Therefore, it will become positive 1. And then again, one more time while we are multiplying, you will be getting negative 1. The third question, negative 1 raised to the power 4. Here, we need to multiply negative 1 4 times. 4 is an even number. Therefore, even number of times if you multiply negative, you will be getting a positive number. Therefore, here 1 is multiplied 4 times. Therefore, answer is positive 1 itself. You may check that negative 1 raised to an odd power is negative 1 and negative 1 raised to any even power is positive 1. Then what is negative 10 raised to the power 3? Here 3 times negative multiplied, therefore altogether you will be getting a negative number, and 10 raised to 3 is 1000, therefore the total effect, final answer is negative 1000. Similarly, the last question, negative 5 raised to the power 4. Here 4 times negative multiplied, therefore the answer will be a positive number, and 5 raised to the power 4 is equal to 625. Therefore the final answer is again 625. Thus we have seen that negative 1 raised to an odd number is equal to negative 1, and negative 1 raised to an even number is equal to positive 1. I hope all of you understood what is the exponential form of a number, or how to express a number as a product of powers of prime factors. Thank you.